Here's the old Land Rover in the backyard. It's February 6th after our record snowfall. I think we got another 7 inches last night, something like that. We're closing in on 2 feet of snow. I know that. That's my Toyota under there. There's the parts disco. Supposed to be at the gun show today, but that ain't gonna happen. Just a quickie video. I'd like to get out there later and put a yardstick on the Rover to see how much snow's on there, but let's see what else we got. Shooting video out of the bathroom window. Oh, there's the parts truck. Huh. It is a winter wonderland. Wow. This is record snow for us. Record. The blizzard of 93. I don't think we had this much snow. Okay.